Help support our coverage using Blueberry, the community that gives creators the ability to make money, get detailed audience measurements, and host their audio and video. Get 30 days to try out the service using promo code Blueberry004. That's BLUBRRY004.
Anyway, let's go ahead and move on to the next guest from Wizest. Go ahead and reveal yourself. Am I speaking with William?
I am speaking. Yes, this is William from Wizest.
Excellent. It's a pleasure to meet you. If you want to go ahead and introduce yourself and your company and tell us about what you guys do.
Absolutely. So I am so excited to be talking to PLUGHITZ again. We spoke last year at this event, and Wizest is an investment trading platform, a next generation investment trading platform that is trying to make it as easy to invest in the stock market as it is to play fantasy football. And I am William J. Littlefield II, President and CTO of Wizest.
Thank you very much. Very nice intro there. What do you got to show us today?
Well, today I would just love to tell you a little bit more about how we have developed our software since speaking to you last time. I'd love to tell you a little bit about the product. So essentially what Wizest is it's a product that allows you to invest in the stock market similar to Robinhood. But the way it works with Wizest is you sign up for our trading platform, and instead of having to pick stocks, bonds, and ETFs by yourself, instead of having to learn about crypto and pick crypto by yourself, we have experts on our platform that we match you with based on your investment preferences. So maybe you're interested in investing in renewables, minority-owned businesses. We organize financial experts into leaderboards that you can then choose to invest with. And so instead of having to manage a complicated financial dashboard, you can manage your team just like you would if you're playing fantasy football.
Interesting. Okay. That definitely sounds like a good market to be in right now.
Fintech's exploding.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, the cryptocurrency market has absolutely exploded, just like you said. And I mean, I definitely would have loved an advisor at some point instead of, learning on my own. So
no doubt. And, there's plenty of people out there that, as much as they are passionate about financial literacy, passionate about crypto, there's other folks who are really passionate about what they do for work. People that work in medicine or doctors, lawyers, engineers. And as much as they know that investing is a key part of their financial future, not everyone has the time or the interest necessarily. Maybe you're raising a family. Maybe you just are passionate about your own thing. And so why invest by yourself in those spaces when you can invest with somebody who's doing what you're doing, where crypto is their full-time job, their full-time expertise. And we're just trying to connect you with that financial expertise, which is normally just controlled by the 1%. So we're really trying to democratize access to the sort of strategies and experts that are used in high net worth individuals.
Absolutely. I mean, this makes a lot of sense. It's hard to find solid information on, what to invest in, what coins are just memes, or, what might actually have some value in the long run or in the short term or something like that. And, being advised of, what taxes are involved or, what you're obligated to pay into or take from or, whatever, all of the questions, all of the ins and outs. It's nice that you guys seem to have a service to kind of advise you on, where to go based on your preferences. Now, is this something that you are these preferences things that you set like as you're creating your profile, for example?
That's exactly right. So there's a couple different ways that we add preferences to your profile. You nailed it on the head there. When you first register for the platform, of course, we ask you first and foremost what sort of sectors you might be interested in, what kind of portfolios you might be interested in. Maybe you're interested in a retirement portfolio or some other kind of time horizon. We also have robo portfolios on the platform. Really, we think of Wizest as a platform that allows you to invest with different kinds of financial advisors. To our knowledge, we're the only platform where you can invest with both a human advisor and a robo advisor at the very same time. But to get back to your question about those preferences, We also know that a lot of people are interested in investing with people that are maybe from their alma mater, maybe people that are in the same community, people that maybe align with their same political values. So
Right.
it's not necessarily just based on what sorts of portfolios, but you also want to invest with people that you believe in.
Sure. Okay. Yeah. No, I think that's fantastic. If you have a cause or something like that that you would like to invest in, it's good that you guys also go into that realm as well, and not just stick to investing in cryptocurrency. It sounds like you guys have kind of um, woven a net of good advice for just investing overall. Um, is that the limit of what you guys do?
So right now, the platform currently supports primarily trading activities, but
Mhm.
it's a lot more exciting than that. That's a great question. So in addition to investing with financial experts, the moment that you have allocated money to an expert that you like, you
Mhm.
will also have all of their posts in your activity feed. And
Mm.
so the way Wisest works is once you've invested with a financial expert, we curate all of their trades as well as all of their commentary on the financial markets into a single financial news feed for you. And this was actually mentioned or praised several times in Forbes this year. We're very proudly featured. Maybe that'll be in the show notes. But yeah, so not you're not just investing on the platform, you're also learning from the experts you invest in, just like you would if you follow these experts on Twitter or on Reddit. So we
Sure.
put that all in one place for you. We
Mhm.
also have different resources for financial literacy in the wisdom section of the platform. It's called Wisdom because we're wisest. And last but not least, of
I
course, we're
like it.
providing you financial news from other important popular outlets like Reuters and Bloomberg, all in a single place.
Very nice. Very nice. I like it. This all sounds very solid. I'm just gonna ask you one pretty simple question, really, to kind of top this off. What got you into all of this?
I had a bit of a yellow brick road as an entrepreneur, but
Understood.
the most important, I guess, part of this story is just that I personally had a background working as a senior engineer at Visa before joining this project.
Okay.
And I was certainly familiar with the frustration that so many people feel about going about investing. Today, there are so many fintech apps available, right? I mean, the universe is just so crowded, and it's just so crowded by these apps like Robinhood or Coinbase.
Right.
You don't necessarily solve the problem of not necessarily feeling like you know what to buy or what to sell.
Sure.
What good is it if I get free trades if I just don't necessarily feel confident picking stocks by myself?
Sure.
The other problem is that if you don't meet a certain capital requirement, if you walk down to say J.P. Morgan Chase, they were who I banked with when I was in college,
Yeah.
and so you go college,
Yeah.
and so you go and investable assets, and if you say no, they say come back in 10 years.
All right.
And so we wanted to open up that sort of opportunity digitally to more people that wanted to get started investing but didn't feel like they had the tools.
Right. Exactly. That's wonderful. Any tool that is here to not just help you along the way, but actually teach you along the way to make good decisions what you based on what you a very good service you have going on. And is it currently available?
Absolutely. So that's the biggest change from the last time we talked to PLUGHITZ. Last time we were telling you guys at CES about the idea of Wizest. We had just really started our closed beta, which was a free simulator version of the platform. Since then, we've happily obtained SEC regulatory approval and also conducted an integration to a custodian broker dealer dealer of Robinhood.
Oh, okay.
And now we are actually transitioning our closed beta product to production at the beginning of this year, probably by the end of January 2022 here.
Hey, very nice.
You can go ahead and head to our website, and we have a waitlist sign up for you to get onboarded ASAP.
What's the website?
That would be wisest.com, wizest.com/sign up 2022.
Fan.
2022.
Fan. But
That's true.
I always love to run into someone that we've interviewed before from previous years and see, you know, where the progression has gone. And I'm glad to hear that you guys have a lot of momentum from the sounds of it. So I hope to see more. I hope we get to see you guys in future CESs, and I hope it continues to grow.
Me too. Thank you so much for. Me too. Thank you so much for answers.
Of course.
And I think we're all praying that this pandemic will end and we'll have a cool return to CES in 2023.
Absolutely. Well, thank you very much for your time, all of the information. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your show, and please stay safe. All right.
You too. Cheers.
All right. Well, that was great.
TPN CES 2022 coverage is executive produced by Michelle Mendez. Technical directors are Kurt Corliss and Adam Barker. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz and Maurice McCoy. Interviews are edited by Joe Minnie. Hosts are Marlo Anderson, Todd Cochran, Scott Ertz, Christopher Jordan, Danielle Mendez, and Alante Sparks. Las Vegas studio provided by HC Productions. Remote studio provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production. Copyright 2022.